In today's video, I am going to show you how to change your Instagram password in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Account Center and then tap on Password and Security. Now tap on Change Password. Then select the Instagram account if you have more than one. You will now need to enter your current password, then type in your new password, and then confirm the new password again. Once done, just tap save, and your Instagram password will be updated. And that's it, your account is now more secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.